Hello everyone. So, it's not out yet, but I'm psyched to see the new Top Gun. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, I'm like, hey, let's try and do some Top Gun stuff. This is just standard 3mm plywood. Yeah, let's see how it works. Thanks for coming by, guys. Alrighty. Yeah, just having some fun. Came out pretty good. I think I'm actually going to paint this, and then yeah, we'll see what we can do about this. I'm gonna, if I paint, I can paint over this and then use sand off the top of it, and then all the recessed stuff will stay the paint color. So we're going to try that out, see how it comes out. Alrighty, just some gloss black spray. Sorry, not paying attention to the camera. Alright, we'll let that dry, and we'll come back and show you the end results here. Okie dokie, so yeah, you can see it. Yeah, there you go. So it's just, I just spray painted it black, orbital sander. I believe that is 60 grit? Yeah, maybe 80, probably 80 grit. And we're just going to sand it, and it will come to life. So, move Mr. Camera. Unless it's unplugged. It's unplugged. Yeah, see? Yay! I should have given it another coat with paint, but you can see the relief on it. And now if I just like clear coat it or something, it'll all darken up. So yeah, just my idea of some fun. Thanks for coming out, guys. Have a good one.